This week, after what seems like weeks and weeks of thinking, designing, prototyping, I've managed to switch over to the test debug loop, and that's been amazing for my motivation levels. I've been able to spend lots and lots of time this week doing that, and it's felt amazing actually. And now I have something that's actually genuinely working. So really enjoying what things look like at the moment. What I have today is a B tree with some history preservation in it. So what will happen is that you can start a transaction and that will put all of the B tree nodes into one file, and then you can start a new transaction and it will start putting the B tree nodes into a second file without disturbing the first one and refer back to the original file, so it's only storing the deltas. In the box at the top is a file with the first transaction in, and in that transaction there are a number of inserts there into the tree, and this is sort of stylized, but in that box first you can see there are some leaf nodes and a couple of branch nodes and a root, and this is the first transaction. And if you see the second box there, you can see a new root there, so that's the second file. You can see a new root there that replaces the root node in the first transaction, and a branch and a leaf too in that transaction, and the rest of the tree refers to the nodes in the previous file and previous transaction. At present, the inserts and updates are working, but I haven't got deletes working, and that's going to be essential for actually making this at all useful. I also want to so the reads and writes for integers and whatnot are a little bit unergonomic, and I want to improve that. I've also noticed that, well, I was thinking about how this is going to be stored and how at present the keys are sorted lexically by byte order, and for things like integers and floating point numbers that's not going to be appropriate. Fine for text, but not appropriate for numbers, and so I'm going to have to do something about that, but I think probably I'm going to have to sort out the schema stuff first, so that's on the list as well. And later still, I still need to figure out how the transaction compactor is going to work. So that's still on the list, and hoping to get that working. If you like what I'm doing, let me know. My details are in the description.